place mash up, you know. Everybody will have vibes, everybody feel good, pan a hole, you know. Pan a hole, you know. Every time we touching at the club, everybody get a vibes, you know.
Make you say, no limit.
All right, so you know it's your favorite time of a Tuesday. It's Girl Talk this morning.
What are we talking about?
What is it about men who can dance? They say women are attracted to men who can dance. I don't know. I don't know about that one there.
Can your man dance?
I've dated men who can,
right.
and I've dated men who can't, and I've dated men who don't know that they can't.
Right.
Like they really think so they can dance, they can dance. But it depends on the type of dance. Because when I see Usher, I not be Aaron of mine. When I see Usher, I know Usher dance, I'm like, oh, that's so nice. But I see some man a dance, and know that's not attractive to me, not at all. When you that could only be attractive to a gang. It couldn't be attractive to a woman, none to all, me don't think so.
Which dance?
Maybe that's what I mean. Them have some dance and all them do a shoot. I don't see nothing.
No.
As a woman, me couldn't tell about attracted to a man where I do that.
It's true. Or you go and dance, right?
Yeah.
Are you chilling and you're watching and all of a sudden you see them on there.
Yeah.
Where you go?
Yeah.
Where you go?
Me not know. That is not attractive to me. The only person who could be attracted to that is a gang.
Yeah.
Like you recruit a gang and you see somebody and say, yeah, that man look like him could have fight.
No, what is one name again?
Which one?
Them and then them.
Me don't know.
That one there. Me say, where you go?
No. Anyway, let's go back to what Unique is saying.
Let's go back.
Women use men's dancing ability to assess male strength, male strength.
Because you have to have stamina on the floor.
Yeah, fitness level for sure.
Yeah, depending how long you're dancing too.
Yeah, fitness level for sure.
Yeah.
And that's across all. I have a friend, Earl Brown, he's in Pressure Drop at Basil Dawkins. And Earl will be at Waterfalls and he will dance all night.
Yes.
But he's dancing them 3-step and really very smooth, very nice. So yeah, male strength.
Male strength.
Skillfulness. Well, again, it depends on the type of dance. Because what impressed me a while ago, the only skill that is like, you kick a dog, or you kick the ball, you kick a ball, or you kick down a door. I don't know what kind of skillfulness that one show nobody. So, yeah, maybe.
You know, I think I'm around too many young people, you know. That is my problem. I'm coming to Waterfalls this weekend with you, Delia.
Please. Confident. Women use men's dancing ability to assess confidence.
Yes.
That's true.
You gotta have a certain confidence. Well, to be out there
dancing.
But you know what? This is when you say
arrogance,
dancing.
Arrogance, no, but confidence, yes.
Yeah, but the thing I don't like is a man that dances you.
Arrogance.
Arrogant. That's not confident.
No.
That's arrogant.
Yes.
But you know, Delia, tell you the honest to God truth. There's so many. No, I was thinking.
Steven can dance?
You know, I knew you were gonna ask me because I threw it at you about your man, which you haven't answered, because. We're waiting on the answer. But anyway, my husband apparently...
I'm single. What is Empress saying?
You're single, Delia?
Yes, you have a guy for me?
We're putting out an announcement. Delia is looking for a man that can dance.
No. Hara looking nobody for me. Hara is actually trying to prevent me from getting a man. So
he's blocking the show.
Yeah. Hara is,
all right. Let's get back into focus.
Yes.
We're talking about,
can dance.
my husband apparently was part of a dance group in high school.
What?
Before I married him, this is what his friends and cousins used to tell me.
But you see no evidence of that.
And apparently there's a tape. But me not see the tape. Where him did a dance. Yeah, me not see it. Now, there have been a couple of times, you know, but I'm not really, I don't know, all them years me there with him, I not to see him broke it down like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, hubby, we need to go out and go dancing some more.
Social media, look out for that video.
Yes, yes.
So, yeah, confidence, but not arrogance.
No. But
confidence means me and you dance, and I say, wow, him can dance. Arrogance means me and you dance, and then by the time I look at it over there, so I show off some move, I flip over there.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, the
minute you start
to that, Girl power, you know what that means. Daily I got the bathroom. Yeah, I know, me got the bathroom.
You're gone home.
Yes. The social status, what does that mean, Empress?
What
Women
you mean?
use men's dancing ability to assess their social status.
I don't know about that. Well, it depends on how you dance. Well, let's break it down now into age groups, right?
Yes.
So as I said, I'm around some young people and I see some dance and I'm like, what is this madness? Yes. And then you go to some dance. You ever hit a street dance sometime? You just go in and you see the way the girl them jump off of the speaker. I mean, I saw a girl jump off a speaker box. I mean, if I jump to save her, I'm like, Lord of mercy, where is she going? Yeah. Then you see the man them when certain songs come on, the girls group up and they're dancing, the men are watching. But I am still a little old school, right? So I said on Saturday, I love calypso and soca. I love to see that, you know, gyrating, high energy music. And then you have things like salsa, which I absolutely love. I'm a salsa dancer. I can dance salsa. I love it. That's a different kind of courting and, you know, a different kind of movement. But then you have the one,
man and woman dancing together.
But it depends on how you dance together because it depends on the genre. It depends on the culture, right? So you have the salsa. Then you have the nice R&B kind of soul thing. Right. And then you have the Thriller and the Michael Jackson. But it's really about the kind of music you love. And many men cannot dance. And that's a problem that we're having in the society.
So wrap up social status, maybe, I guess if you see an uptown man. But me see uptown youth dance.
Don't say it. Those
ravers. No, I was going to say dance ravers, them thing. And so I don't think, and me sure Ding Dong can dance. No, a man's willingness to try new things.
Oh my God, we gotta go. But I have a flashback. Delia, I have a flashback. I have a flashback. In Ethiopia, my husband and I threw it down to some reggae in the club.
So him can dance.
Yes, I remember. That was out of town.
She better remember.
I just remember that night.
You better remember.
No, we were like, oh baby, I didn't see you do like that.
All right, yes, good morning, Stephen. Me, man, you better remember. I do.
Good. So if you
I do, and I like men who can dance.
So if you want, call us at 1-88-SMILE Jamaica. If you'd like to date Delia, you have to know how to dance. We gotta go to News in 5.